My grandfather started the business back in 1975. I work here with my sister, my dad, my two uncles, my two cousins. At the end of the day, this is a family business.
My dad, Ralph D'Alessandro, he would always say, if you do a good job, people will always come back.
Customer service is how we stayed in business for over 50 years.
No one wants to have to deal with an accident. And the nice thing is seeing a customer come in that they are a bit stressed, then they leave feeling much better. Because it's not just about the car. Really, at the end of the day, it's about getting people back on the roads, back into their regular life.
So coming to Fort 27 was one of the best decisions I ever made. I started here in high school. I started here as a co-op student. They saw something in me that I didn't see in myself. Then eventually they hired me on full time, and I've been here ever since.
I always tell people, you're never going to be bored working for us. Every day is different.
I've worked for the D'Alessandro family for 33 years now. I think it's a great place to work and great people to work for. They take care of you. It's like a family. We're all a family here.
Well, I started here, I was a receptionist, kind of did a little bit of accounting as well, and then moved into my production role.
Our company here has quite a reputation. We're known to be, where people want to bring their cars. If you look around here, you're seeing the most modern and more sophisticated vehicles here.
They can see the shop and the cleanliness of the shop, and people really appreciate that. We take good care of the shop, we're taking good care of your car.
Our number one most important thing here is continuous improvement. Nowadays, cars are complex composite materials like carbon fiber, mixtures of aluminum and steel. So we invest a lot of money every single year into equipment. Training is another big thing. Welding training, structural training, color matching, defect training, product training. We're certified by more OEMs than any other facility in the country.
And the strength of our business comes from being a family working together, working as a team, caring about ourselves and the customers and the staff.
It's about the people here. It's about who you're surrounded by. The foremen, the technicians, the prep and paint people, the detailers. We all have a good relationship. We all have a great rapport here, and it makes you want to come to work every day.
People know us. They trust us. We fix 8,000 vehicles a year, so we must be doing something right.
Today, CSM 427 Auto Group has over 150 employees across 3 locations in the GTA, and we believe we position ourselves well to thrive for the next half century.